Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and creating a project so you can code immediately. Run Flutter Doctor. Fix any missing SDK or platform tools. Open Vscode and install Flutter and Dart extensions to get IntelliSense and debug support. Once done, run Flutter Create My App in a terminal so your workspace has standard structure. Then open that folder in Vscode. Make sure the device selector shows a simulator or physical device, because you want rapid edit-run feedback as you write code. You now write and iterate on UI code with focused steps to stay productive. Open lib/main. Dart and replace the sample widget with a clear stateless widget or stateful widget. This clarifies state flow. Use IntelliSense and extension snippets to scaffold build methods faster. Save files to trigger hot reload. The updated UI appears in under 1 second, so you can try small changes and validate behavior quickly. Also use the Flutter inspector and widget tree to diagnose layout issues and understand why a widget sizes, or you wrap up by validating behavior and preparing a build for deployment. Think of this as quality control. Attach a device or emulator and set breakpoints in Vscode to inspect variables and call stacks. Open DevTools for performance and memory insights, and run Flutter Build App or Flutter Build iOS when ready to package. If something breaks, first run Flutter Doctor, confirm extension and SDK versions match, and inspect device logs in the terminal. That one troubleshooting tip often reveals missing permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.